Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese ramen. Begin by boiling 2 cups of water, add noodles and the included seasoning, and cook until just tender. Reduce heat, stir in 30 g shredded melting cheese and 1 tsp butter slowly for a creamy texture. Avoid high heat which causes separation. Finish with cracked pepper and chopped green onion for freshness and serve immediately. Gather 1 package of instant ramen, 30 g of melting cheese like processed or young cheddar, 1 tsp unsalted butter, and optional garnishes such as green onion and chili flakes. Have a small bowl ready to whisk the cheese if needed. Keeping everything measured and at hand makes the quick recipe seamless and keeps the texture consistently creamy without overcooking or splitting the sauce. Boil 2 cups of water, add the ramen and cook until just tender, then drain slightly if there is excess water. Lower heat to a gentle simmer and stir in 30 g shredded cheese and 1 tsp butter until you get a smooth, glossy sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning with a pinch of salt or pepper. Garnish with chopped green onion and enjoy right away for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.